Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So in today's discussion video, we're going to be talking about the Electric brand and the recall that they just issued for the 45,000 Electric XP 3.0 bikes. So that's a huge number, 45,000. Think about that. They started selling these in November of last year, and through May of this year, 45,000 of those units have sold. And we're talking only the Electric XP 3.0, okay? The long range, the standard range, the step through, the step over. We're not talking about any other models at this point. Here's what you should know about the recall. It's affecting the mechanical disc brakes. Now, if you're an electric owner, you may have received a notice in May of this year saying that, hey, they're going to upgrade your bike for free. Just contact them, and they're going to send you a hydraulic disc brake package that you can install yourself on your bikes. Now, a lot of people got excited about that and thought, oh, wow, that's great. We got this free upgrade coming. And there was some speculation as to why they might do that. But they started shipping these things out, and people started receiving them and installing them and really enjoying the fact that they now have hydraulic disc brakes on their 3.0. Well, what I don't think was known at that time is the fact that they are already in the process of doing a recall, because they have been proven that the mechanical disc brakes that were originally shipped with that bike were a little dangerous. Now, according to the CEO and according to Micah over at Electric, who wrote up a really nice article about this, he stated that as soon as the CEO started hearing that there were some problems, that's when they went ahead and decided to start upgrading all the bikes. Now, on record, there's only about 4 injuries, okay? There's 4 incidents, I should say, where the mechanical disc brakes failed, and it resulted in a crash, some bruises and a few broken bones, that sort of thing. And the CEO, it said, hey, we're not going to have this. Let's go ahead and upgrade all these 45,000 e-bikes. So good on Electric for being proactive and immediately taking action to start shipping these things out. But what I find interesting, I don't believe, correct me if I'm wrong if any of you are aware, but I don't believe they talked about the accidents or the dangers to the mechanical disc brakes back in May. They simply started upgrading the bike. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't remember seeing anything about that. So that means between May and up until September 7th, which was just a couple of days ago, consumers were just thinking they were going to get a free upgrade on their mechanical disc brakes. Now, it wasn't until just a couple of days ago that they issued a joint statement, a joint recall notice with the Consumer Product Safety Board, where they said, hey, we're recalling 45,000 of these units because of this problem. Now, according to Mike over at Electric, with his interview with the CEO, they did this because this Consumer Product Safety Board requires a joint statement where they go out publicly together and make the announcement. But it's a government organization, and we know how that goes, so they're slow, right? So it took them a few months before they actually took action and was able to get the notice out to make it official that they were recalling these 45,000 bikes. But again, getting back to Electric, and kudos to them, they didn't want their hands tied, and they didn't want to sit here and wait until September, right? So back in May, they took action to at least start notifying people, hey, there was an upgrade available for free, and all you had to do is contact them, and they'd send it out to you. Now, here's what you need to know about the recall notice. You don't have to send your bike back, okay? And that's not what this is about. It's simply about repairing the bike. Now, if you choose that you want to send the bike back, that's going to be between you and Electric. I don't know what they would consider doing for that, but they are offering the upgrade. They are offering to pay up to $100 to have a local bicycle shop actually install those new hydraulic brakes for you if it's something that you're not comfortable doing on your own at home. So, they've taken steps to correct the problem, and I think they're trying to do their customers right. And I just, again, kudos to Electric for taking quick action. We just wish the government had followed suit and took quick action too, right? Because it kind of makes me wonder, how many accidents or injuries resulted from May, when they first became aware of it and started to take action, until September, when they actually made it official. Yeah, that's government work for you though, right? All right, so anyway, just wanted to bring this out to you and talk about that for a minute to make sure that you are aware of this recall. And hey, contact Electric. Actually, Electric started contacting people just this week. So if you're an Electric 3.0 owner, you should be receiving an email or a phone call from these folks letting you know that, hey, you need to get your bike upgraded. So be looking for that. But hey, you know, if you haven't heard anything yet, I would reach out to them and get that free upgrade kit on the way so you can get your bike taken care of so that you can continue to ride safe. Hey, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you thought it was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them down below. And I'll see you in another video real soon. Thanks for watching.